Marcus Caldela, a Brazilian businessman who has lived in China's coastal city of Xiamen for 9 years, said that he's confident in making investments in China because of the BRICS cooperation. Caldela came to Xiamen in 2013 to learn Chinese. Inspired by the city's entrepreneurial environment, Caldela started his own company, Marco's Stones, selling Chinese stone products to South America.
We could see the market between China and Brazil start to grow more and more. And for us, inside the Chinese market, local market, we can see the Chinese economy get more and more strong. Our stone business is growing more and more, and the same way we keep investing in our company, keep bringing more and more containers, making more and more investment in market, in people. So we see that this past 5 years, our business kind of booming.
Xiamen is one of China's largest stone import and distribution centers. Caldela's company has become one of the largest stone exporters to the Brazilian market.
Because of the BRICS, we investors, we feel much more confident to make investments in countries like China, Brazil, Russia, India, South Africa. Yeah, since the last BRICS that we had in Xiamen, we can see more foreign investors come to Xiamen. I believe the BRICS happening in Xiamen make Xiamen well known all over the world. So many investors, many companies start to look to Xiamen with another eyes, seeing like a nice place with a huge potential for good and big investments.
Caldela spoke highly of the cooperation between China and Brazil, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah, I believe that this cooperation, BRICS, especially talking about Brazil, brought us a lot of good things. For example, during this period of the pandemic, we had a very good relationship, a very good cooperation with China. For example, right now in Brazil, we use the Chinese vaccine, which is a very good one. So I'm pretty sure the Brazilian people, they are very thankful for China.
Caldela now has a happy family in Xiamen. He says he enjoys living and working in this booming and beautiful city.
Yeah, our plans for the next 5 years to expand to other cities in China, to adjust more to the Chinese market, to expand to new customers, new market inside the Chinese market, because we still see a huge potential, a huge opportunity in the Chinese market for good investments.